Alright, so here we go. Ground down. Tools of the trade. Super Dremel. Right angle with a frat disc. And you can see right at the point of impact, there's some bad laminate in there. I got down to some core. See that little aqua piece? So when it hit pretty damn good. And cracked a vein all the way through here. So now, my staging is to put some structural putty in here to try to level up the surface. My only issue with that is it's 60 degrees now. It's gonna fall into the 40s tonight. I hope when I come back tomorrow that this putty is dry. Stay tuned, we'll find out together. So I got my structural repair putty in place. And so now it's a waiting game. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned.